Hello, it's Jim and Frank from the showroom at American Metal Roofs in Flint once again. And today, Frank, I want to talk about something that's really important and close to your heart, which is as you set this company up, you wanted to make sure that people made good decisions and were informed about the choices they were making concerning roofing.
Yes.
And there are some mistakes that folks seem to want to make all the time. What are those areas that they need to think about and avoid when choosing a metal roof for their home?
There are a lot of issues that they can take a look at, but let me hit on some major ones. First one is choosing the wrong contractor. Mm-hmm. Choosing a contractor that doesn't do metal roofs. Not saying they're not great guys. Mm-hmm. There is so much to know. We're talking about a permanent roof. We're not talking about something you're going to go back up there and keep repairing.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So choosing that right contractor, making sure that contractor, obviously is licensed and insured, mm-hmm. but making sure that they have employees. Are they going to be around? Do they have physical structures? Do they have buildings? Mm-hmm. When we choose a contractor that is not stable, that contractor is not going to be there to take care of that roof.
Yeah, in case there's problems down the road, yeah.
Then they got to ask an important question to that contractor. It's all about contractor. What is the warranty that the contractor is giving them for workmanship? A lot of the metal roofs have lifetime warranties, but what is the warranty that's coming from the contractor if something is done wrong? 1 year is not sufficient. Mm-hmm. You need 3, 5, 7, 10 years. Okay, something happens to this roof that it's taken care of. In American Metal Roof, it's a lifetime warranty. Okay. Second thing, is the house ready for a permanent roof? So many times, Jim, the house isn't ready. We examine every house to see that it's right. Mm-hmm. I would say 1 out of 3 that when we take a look at the attic or take a look at structure, they should not have had a metal roof put on that. Hmm. We have to do repairs first before we have permanent on. Wow. If nobody's checking and you put that roof on, 1 out of 3 are going to develop problems that the roof's going to have to come off, mm-hmm. and it becomes very, very expensive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Next one is choosing a roof based on price instead of the value it brings. In other words, if they did their homework, they would find out that many times a roof that costs a lot more up front mm-hmm. ends up costing a lot less over time. Mm-hmm. Energy savings. The right roof, so you don't have repairs done to it from things like sliding snow, mm-hmm. okay, different things. So doing their homework and not making a decision based on price, but make that decision based on value.
Okay.
Another common mistake is people not becoming educated and they choose a roof based on color. We get to their house and they see a beautiful brown one down the road. Do we have one like that? Okay. Without any concern as to the function of that roof and will that roof do what it needs to do. Mm-hmm. That should be the first concern, and then choose color.
Okay.
Lastly, is the roof solar ready? As our country is moving towards solar, mm-hmm. every house is going to end up with some type of solar on it. Mm-hmm. Wouldn't it be a shame you put a metal roof on and so many of them are not solar ready, but you choose a roof that isn't solar ready, mm-hmm. you want to put solar on your house 5 years, 10 years down the way, and find out you can't. That's a huge, that's a big mistake.
Yeah, because then it's tearing it off and trying to set it all up when you can have it built and installed ready for solar.
You got it. Right. Solar ready roof.
All right, so if you're interested in learning more about metal roofing and the choices that you need to make, you could visit our website, AmericanMetalRoofs.com. We have a link in the video post, and that will take you to some documents you can download. Please share this video if you've got friends that are asking questions or wondering about roofing. And for now, this is Jim and Frank from the showroom at American Metal Roofs in Flint.